major rivers in North America. Let us first study the Mississippi River system, which is the largest and most important river system of North America. The Mississippi River originates from Lake Itasca in the United States, and along its course, it is first joined by the Wisconsin River, followed by the Illinois River. Further ahead, the Missouri River, which originates from the Rocky Mountains, joins the Mississippi near St. Louis. It is the longest river in North America. Further downstream, the Mississippi is joined by the Ohio River, together with its tributary, the Tennessee River. After this, the Arkansas River, which originates from the Rocky Mountains, joins the Mississippi, and further downstream, Mississippi is also joined by the Red River. Finally, the Mississippi River forms a distinctive bird's foot-shaped delta and empties into the Gulf of Mexico. Now let us study the Rio Grande, which originates in the Rocky Mountains, flows southward to form a natural boundary between the United States and Mexico, and finally empties into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, let us study the Colorado River, which originates in the Rocky Mountains, flows through the Colorado Plateau where it forms the Grand Canyon, and finally empties into the Gulf of California. Now, let us study the Columbia River, which originates in the Rocky Mountains of Canada, flows through the northwestern United States, and finally empties into the Pacific Ocean. Its major tributary, the Snake River, also rises in the Rocky Mountains and joins the Columbia within the United States. Now, let us study the Yukon River, which originates in Canada, flows across Alaska in the United States, and finally empties into the Bering Sea. Now, let us learn about the Mackenzie River. It is the longest river in Canada. The river begins from the Great Slave Lake, the deepest lake in North America, then flows northward before finally emptying into the Beaufort Sea of the Arctic Ocean. Now, let us learn about the St. Lawrence River. It originates from Lake Ontario, flows along the boundary of the United States and Canada, and finally empties into the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Famous cities, Kingston, Montreal, and Quebec City, are located on its bank. Ottawa River is its major tributary, on which Canada's